Hello everyone and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner with our new English video today. We are doing the lesson of Where Are You? We're going to start with I am in, and we are going to be practicing some vocabulary, some sentences, and how to sound out these vocabulary words. Thank you for joining me.
Gym. Gym. Science lab. Art room. Library. Principal's office. Computer lab. Where are you? I am in the gym. Where is he?
Where is he?
He is in the computer lab.
He is in the computer lab.
Where are they?
Where are they?
They are in the art room.
They are in the art room.
Where are they?
Where are they?
They are in the science lab.
They are in the science lab.
Where is he?
Where is he?
He is in the principal's office.
He is in the principal's office.
Excuse me, can you tell me where I am?
Where I am.
Yes, you are in the library.
Library.
Where is the computer lab?
Computer.
It is near the gym.
Gym. Let's go ahead and go into the next I am in.
Hallway.
Hallway.
Playground. Bathroom. Cafeteria. Parking lot. Where are you? I am in the parking lot. Where is he?
Where is he?
He is in the bathroom.
He is in the bathroom.
Where are they?
Where are they?
They are in the hallway.
They are in the hallway.
Where are they?
Where are they?
They are in the cafeteria.
They are in the cafeteria.
Where is he?
Where is he?
He is in the playground.
He is in the playground.
Excuse me, can you tell me where I am?
Where?
Yes, you are in the cafeteria.
Cafeteria.
Where is the playground?
Where is playground?
It is near the parking lot.
Parking lot. Next one is I am at.
Lockers. Main office. Bulletin board. Main entrance. Where are you? I am at my locker. Where is he?
Where is he?
He is at the main entrance.
He is at the main entrance.
Where is she?
Where is she?
She is at the bulletin board.
She is at the bulletin board.
Where are they?
Where?
They are at their lockers.
At.
Is he in the main office?
Main office.
No, he is at his locker.
Locker.
Where is his locker?
Where?
His locker is near the main entrance.
Main entrance. I am on.
Field. Stairs. Where are you? I am on the field. Where is he? He is on the stairs.
He is on the stairs.
Where are they?
Where? Oh.
They are on the field.
They are on the field.
Do you know where he is?
Where?
I think he is on the field.
On.
I am on the field, and he is not here.
Field.
Oh, then he must be on the stairs, on his way to you.
Stairs. And last one, inside or outside.
Where are you? I am outside. I am inside. Inside. Outside.
The library is inside.
Inside.
The playground is outside.
Outside.
The main entrance is outside.
Outside.
The bulletin board is inside.
Inside. Where is he? He is inside. Where is she? She is inside. Where are they? They are outside.
Where is she?
She is outside on the field.
She is outside on the field.
Where is he?
He is inside in the
He is
library.
inside, in the library.
Where are they?
They are inside at.
They are inside, at their lockers.
Good job, everyone. Thank you for coming and studying English with me. My name is Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring. We practiced prepositions, vocabulary, phrases, and sentences and words that we practiced from our last lesson. If you enjoyed this, please check our previous lessons and share with a friend. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.